Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. SSET Englishtown.
Hello class.
Eh?
Hello class.
What?
Hello. Alright, today welcome back to another SSET video. Now, you're probably wondering why my face is doing listening. So I am helping Julie teacher do her listening book because she has so many units to cover. So I will be doing units 31 to 40. Alright, so this is the book you need for your listening practice through dictation. Today we are doing pages 98 and 99. Okay, and this of course is for our Monday, Wednesday, Friday 2BS 4 o'clock class. Alright, so make sure you have your book. Alright, so let's get started. Let's do the vocab first. Let's do vocab first. So we are doing unit 31, unit 31. So unit number 31. Alright, let's do the first one. Dorothy, do you want to start please? Marathon. What is a marathon?
Long distance race.
Yes, a long distance race. How long is a marathon? Do you know?
4.7 kilometers.
Oh, very close.
Oh, 4.2 kilometers.
It's 42.1 kilometers. 42.1 kilometers.
What?
It's very, very far. Very, very far. I ran one marathon in my life, and it was very fast. Very fast. So marathon is a very long distance
Have
race.
you tried that?
I did. I tried it, and I finished. I was very happy. All right, Ellie, can you do the next one, please? Runners.
Somebody or something that runs, especially an athlete or a horse in a race.
Yeah, so they're called runners. Everyone that participates in the race are called the runners. They are the people that run. All right, Wes, next one. Difficult.
Hard to do.
Yeah, that's very easy word. Something that is difficult is very hard to do. It doesn't have to be a race. It can be an exam, a test, a class. Difficult is hard to do. What are you doing, Dorothy? All right, Dorothy, next one, please. 50.
50. The number 50.
Yes, we all know what 50 is, the number 50. Very good. Next one, race. Ellie.
Contest of speed.
Right, how fast something is going. Okay, so the race. How fast they are racing. Lucky. West, lucky.
Fortunate.
Fortunate. Right, lucky is a bit of a hard, fortunate is a bit of a hard word. But you know what lucky is, yes? When you are lucky, you have luck on your side. So good things happen to you. Another word is called fortunate. You are very fortunate. The next one is entire. Entire. It means the whole. So, Dorothy, if I said to you, you can eat the entire cake.
Wow.
How much cake can you have?
Oh.
You can have all of it.
Papa.
Correct. You can have the whole cake.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, next one is in the top 50. There is no definition here, but it means to finish something, between first and 50. So you are in the top 50 people to finish. Or if you are taking your exams for school and you finish in the top 50, are you a good student?
Yeah.
Of course you are, yes. To finish in the top 50 out of maybe 500 students means you are very good. All right, next one. Ellie, by the way.
By the way, used to introduce something that is not strictly part of the subject at hand.
Okay, so if we were talking about something today, and we were saying, oh, today is Dorothy's birthday.
No.
Oh, by the way, it's also my birthday.
Yes.
So we are talking about Dorothy's birthday because it's very, very important. And then I say, oh, by the way, it's my birthday too. That's less important because Dorothy is more important than me.
It's like in addition.
In addition means plus something. By the way just means something that is a little bit less important. So if I said, West, you can have $1 million. I will give you $1 million. All right? And then I say, by the way,
You should give me 1 million.
by the way, you have to save some of the money in the bank. You have to save some. You can't spend it all. So the most important thing is I gave you $1 million, but then I said something else, which I said you must save a little bit for later. Okay? All right, next one is to take part. To take part. What is to take part in something?
To be involved in something.
Yeah, to be involved in something, whether it's to take part in sport, to take part in a test.
Like enjoy.
Enjoy? No, it means to do something. So to actually do something. Enjoy just means that you are happy doing something. So this is actually to actually do something, to take part. So if you, Ellie and Dorothy had a running race, would West be taking part in that race?
No.
No, it's just Ellie and Dorothy taking part. All right, let's have a look. Now we'll have a look at your book, listening practice through dictation. We are going to do page 98 first. So our unit today is called the marathon. So we are doing unit 31, the marathon. All right, so you have some of the book have words here that we are going to look at. All right, Wes, can you do the first one, please? We have to fill in the blanks. Number one.
A marathon is a long race.
Good. Number one. A marathon is a long race. Marathon is a long race. Very good. Ellie, number two, please.
50 is half of 100.
Good. 50. Make sure you start with a capital, please, because it's the first word. 50 is 1/2 of 100. Good. Dorothy, number three.
Is it difficult or
Mathematics.
Mathematics? What is mathematics?
Mathematics is just math.
Yeah, but it's like hard to like that.
Math is the shortened word. Mathematics is the full word. So number three, is it difficult to learn mathematics? You know, some people it is hard, some people it is not hard. All right, Wes, back to you. Number four, you are?
Lucky.
Yes.
Have a nice family.
Good, you are lucky to have a nice family. You are lucky. Ellie, number five, how many runners?
To part in the race.
How many runners took part in the race? Very good. And Dorothy, number 6, 10.
10 runners took part in the race.
10 runners took part in the race. So how many people were in the race if there were 10 runners? How many people were in the race?
10.
10, very good. How many legs were in the race?
20.
20, very good. Excellent. All right, that is part, so that was number, letter A, part A. New word. All right, let's do part B, understanding the context. Now we have to listen to the CD. Are you ready? Here we go.
Sports and Health. Unit 31, the marathon.
Did you watch the Boston Marathon?
Yes, I went to Boston to see it.
You were in Boston for the marathon?
That's right. My friend is a runner, so I went there to watch her run. We traveled to Boston together.
You are so lucky. Which part of the marathon did you see?
I watched the entire race, from start to finish.
I don't know how the runners can finish the whole race. It's so long and difficult. I could never do something like that.
I tried to run a marathon once. It was really difficult. I just can't run like my friend can.
Yes, running a marathon is not an easy thing to do. By the way, how did your friend do in the race?
She did quite well. She was not the fastest runner, but she was in the top 50.
All right, good job. Okay, so you heard that. So let's do part B, understanding the CD.
No. C. Focus on detail. Yeah.
What about part B?
We finished.
But I need to ask you the questions.
This is finish you.
No, part B. Where was the marathon? Boston, yes. Where is Boston?
America.
America, good. Near New York. So number one is B, Boston, B.
Boston.
All right, number two question. What is not true? So you have A, B, C, and D. Which one is not true?
A, B.
Right, the man watched the marathon on TV.
No.
It is difficult to run a marathon.
Yeah.
Yes, that is true. The man has never run in a marathon.
No.
So is it the answer?
No. A.
The man's friend ran in the marathon.
No.
That is true.
The man watched the marathon.
The man watched the marathon on TV. Yes, that is not true. That is not true. So your answer is A. 2A. 2A. All right. So you want to listen to it again, CD?
Yes, sir. Focus on detail.
All right, let's do part C. Focus on detail down the bottom. Focus on detail here. All right, let's do from the start. Okay, you're all ready? Okay, here we go.
Sports and health. Unit 31. The marathon.
Did you watch the Boston Marathon?
Yes, I went to Boston to see it.
You were in Boston for the marathon?
That's right. My friend is a runner, so I went there to watch her run. We traveled to Boston together.
You are so lucky. Which part of the marathon did you see?
I watched the entire race, from start to finish.
I don't know how the runners can finish the whole race. It's so long and difficult. I could never do something like that.
I tried to run a marathon once. It was really difficult. I just can't run like my friend can.
Yes, running a marathon is not an easy thing to do. By the way, how did your friend do in the race?
She did quite well. She was not the fastest runner, but she was in the top 50.
All right, good job. All right, let's do question number one. West, number one, my friend.
My friend is a runner.
Good, my friend is a runner. Ellie, number two, you are?
So lucky.
You are so lucky. Very good. Dorothy, number three?
I watched the entire race from start to finish.
Good, I watched the entire race from start to finish. And West, number four, please.
I tried to run a marathon once.
Good, I tried to run a marathon once. Okay, that is page 98. Let's do the next page, 99. We have to do part D. At the top here, summary. Part D, summary. All right, listen and order the sentences from 1 to 5. Do you need to listen to them again?
I did it.
Okay. All right, what is the first sentence, Ellie, in that CD? First sentence.
The man says he went to Boston to watch the marathon.
Correct. The man said he went to Boston to watch the marathon. So this one is number one. Number one. Wes, what was the second one?
The man says he watched the entire race.
Is that right? No.
No. The man says his friend is a runner.
The man says his friend is a runner. Good. The man says his friend was a runner. Very good. Wes, what do you think the third one was? The man says...
he watches the entire race.
What number? Number 5. Good. So number 5. Ellie, what was the fourth thing?
The man says his friend finished the marathon in the top 50.
All right. The man says he finished in the top 50. So that is number No.
No, the man said
This one.
he once tried.
Yeah, the man says he once tried to run a marathon, but it was too hard. He couldn't do it. So that means number 2 must be the last thing. The last thing. The last thing. The last thing. All right. Hang on. Yeah, we're going to do dictation.
No, dictation is homework.
This one is homework?
Yes, yes.
I thought this one was homework.
No. No.
When do you do this one then?
Same one. Same.
Okay.
No.
All right, so let's just quickly, before we turn the video off, just quickly have a look at the vocab just one more time. Dorothy, what is a marathon?
Long distance race.
Good, a long distance race. Ellie, what is who are the runners?
Somebody or something that runs, especially an athlete or a horse in a race.
Yes, someone that is in a running race. It can be a person or it can be an animal, usually a horse. Wes, what is the meaning difficult?
Hard to do.
Yes, something that is hard to do. What is hard to do?
Hard to do is hard to do.
What is hard to do?
Difficult.
For what?
Math.
Math is hard, learning English is hard, learning Korean is hard. Yes, correct.
Learning.
Learning Spanish is hard, learning Chinese is hard. All right, Dorothy, what is a race?
50.
No, you know what 50 is. We don't need to do that.
Contest of speed.
Yes, and West, what is another word for lucky? Fortunate. Fortunate. You are very fortunate to have a wonderful teacher like you. Dorothy, what is by the way? By the way.
To introduce something that is not strictly part of the subject.
Good, excellent. And the last one, Ellie, is to take part.
To be involved in something.
To be involved in something. All right, well done, everybody. Now, that was our listening practice. I will write your homework on the board, but for those watching at home, please finish section E, dictation for homework on page 98. And your homework will also be page 100, is that correct? The next page is this homework list? Right, and the next page will be page 100. That is your dictation. All right, that is all we have for today's listening class. So this was your 2BS listening practice through dictation lesson. This is our Monday, Wednesday, Friday class at 4 o'clock. Until next time, bye for now.
Today's birthday!
Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. SSET English Town.